Hey guys, Dr. Nathan Hans here from Optimal Wellness, and we've been talking this week about how important posture is not only to your spine but also to your health overall. So besides getting a chiropractic adjustment in our office, one of the other things that we do is we send our patients home with the spinal care kit. So this is kind of the toothbrush and floss that we send our patients home with each day, or send them home with, so each day they can work on improving their posture. And so a few things that we teach them how to use is something called a dinner roll. So this is something you lay on, and as you lay on this, it's going to start to work on getting that good curve back into your neck, so it helps you hold your head over your shoulders where it should be. We also teach our patients how to use a couple tools, a back peanut and also a foam roller, to help gain more flexibility and mobility in the spine. The other thing we teach our patients are a couple exercises to help strengthen the muscles that are going to help to keep you or support you into that good posture. Now, if you are dealing with some symptoms that you believe is caused by having poor posture, then make sure you come in for an evaluation so we can determine what are the best tools to help you start improving your posture. And like always, if you guys are having any questions, make sure you comment below and we'll do our best to answer those. Otherwise, thanks for taking the time here today, and we'll be looking forward to talking to you guys next week.